In this video, I'll be showing you what the plus icon does. Here is a photo appearing now. If you don't know how to edit a screenshot, click the link appearing now in the top right corner. If you don't know how to take a screenshot, click the next link appearing now in the top right corner. Hello everyone, welcome to Adam's Apple Tech Guide YouTube channel. Hope you enjoyed the video. First, you want to take a screenshot. Then tap here. Tap the plus icon at the bottom right to be able to add text, signature, magnifier, opacity and shapes. You have got a square, circle, text box and arrow. Then to add text, tap here. Then tap your text, then you can cut it, copy, delete, edit and duplicate. Tap edit to be able to change what it says by using the keyboard. Then when you're done, tap anywhere away from the keyboard. Then you can change the colour. You have got a couple of colours underneath here, or you can make your own colour by tapping here. Then you have got grid, spectrum and slider. What I recommend is have a little play and find the one that is best for you. Then when you are finishing here, tap the X. Then by tapping here on the A's, you can choose from 3 different fonts by selecting one that you want. Then you have got the size. By using the circle here, you can make the size bigger or smaller. Then underneath you can choose what way you want the text to be. You have got left side, middle, right side and justify. Then tap anywhere to make it go away like that. Then tap the plus icon, then tap signature to add a signature. Then use this line at the bottom to create your signature. I'm going to do a couple of scribbles. Then when you are finished in here, tap done. Or if you're not and you want to clear it, just tap the clear button or tap cancel if you don't want to do this. Then it will be added. Then use one of these dots to make it bigger like this. Then you can move it by placing your finger in the middle and dragging it where you want. Tap the plus icon, then tap magnifier to add a magnifier. Then you have got the green dot. This is to zoom out and to zoom in. To zoom out, move it to the left, or to zoom in, move it to the right. Then you have got the blue dot. This can change the size of the magnifier. By moving it out, it will make it bigger, or by moving it in, it will make it smaller. Then to move it, place your finger in the middle or anywhere in the magnifier and drag it where you want for it to be zoomed in. Then tap the plus icon again, then tap opacity to change the opacity of your screenshot. Then use this little white circle to make it more whiter or to make it less, like that. Then when you are finished in here, tap the X to save it, then it will be done. Then tap the plus icon, then you have got your shapes, a square, circle, text box and arrow. I'm going to have the square. Then the blue dots in the middle, they move it one way like this. Then you have got the blue dots in the corners. This moves it 2 ways, like this. Then you can change the colour. You have got a couple of colours at the bottom, or you can tap here to be able to customise your colours even more. Then when you are finished in here, tap the X. Tap here to change the thickness of your borders. This is it at its thickest. This is at medium thickness. This is at its thinnest. Then this is it, a solid colour like this. Then you have got the text box and arrow that are slightly different to the square and circle. This green dot here makes this part wider or thinner. This green dot here moves where the speech is coming from and also makes it longer like this. Then for the arrow, you have got a green dot here that moves it like this or like this. Thank you for watching the video. Please like and subscribe. Thank you. Bye.